guys, Royel here. I'm here with Dope Fox or Fox. We're gonna be playing some team build battle. So how do you feel about this?
I think we're gonna get first place.
You do?
It's gonna be really lit. I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we will see you guys when we're there. What's up, guys? We're back. What theme should we do? Droid seems pretty lit. We could do like a Star Wars droid.
Weapon.
Okay, okay.
I went for weapon. Waterfall one.
Oh, that's kind of trash. Okay.
It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easy.
It's gonna be easy.
So many different ways. This is
Okay.
not easy at all. Alright, I think that we should take. Alright, I have an idea. What we should do is we should make a big hill. That's
Oh,
flat
okay.
On one side.
Wait, flat on one side. What?
Yeah, it'll be flat on one side. That's where the water comes down.
Oh yeah. Okay. How many blocks
That'll
is
be like
this?
the base.
1, 2, 1. Oh shoot. Oh, are we not making it like natural?
Yeah, we're gonna try to make it natural.
Or like, yeah, that's what I meant.
I mean, it probably doesn't look natural, but.
Yeah, we can always try. Why'd you make it curving? Cause like, oh, I thought you were doing something. Yep. And I'll make a little pool here, where all the water will come down. I've always hated, oh wait, do you have Optifine? I need to get Optifine for illustration. It makes it so much more smooth. It costs like $10. Yeah, I'll make it heavy. I might interest in that. Seems like a good idea. I used to have a cape on my other account. Do you want this going higher? That? Oh yeah, make this part, make it like, make it come from the back and then go up like this way. Kinda hard to explain, but make normal dirt. Okay, but like... Wait, so like, oh, okay. How big should this be? To make it high enough for like the river thing, like to be a waterfall, we're gonna make it like, and we'll have it like go like up like this, and the water will be coming out of the top.
Maybe like coming out of the back right here,
Oh,
like dropping down.
that's dope.
It's pretty good.
Should we have like a forest biome? Yeah. How do we
That
change
looks
that?
good. How do you want to change our what?
Biome?
Options, particles, plot biome.
Oh, should we have... Oh,
Can I have it
shoot.
Swamp, maybe? Swamp makes it look like this.
That kind of looks like... Here, let's just do... Oh, you have to change it. Okay.
Ocean plains is just this.
I think we should do
These,
forest.
You wanna do what?
Forest.
Forest. That's forest.
Oh, okay.
This is forest. Didn't add anything. Alright, I'm gonna get some bone meal and some saplings. We're gonna get the jungle saplings. Wait, no, jungle saplings. Let's get spruce. Alright. It's going pretty good so far. You wanna make it like a snow? Or
Ooh.
you want like the weather to be snowing?
Yeah, yeah.
And we'll have all the snow. That'll go good with the spruce.
So then I'm gonna put the snow carpet on this.
Well, we don't need to. I think in this the snow.
Oh wait, change it?
I'm gonna. Here we go. Having to apply so much bone meal.
We don't even have water yet. Oh
Well,
crap.
Have you built up the back to like?
Yeah.
connect it?
Like that?
Well, no, it needs to like cover this.
Oh. Okay, can you do... Wait.
Like the fountain of glory.
How do you change the biome to snow?
No, it's gonna do that itself, Evan. I think.
Okay.
What weather is snowing?
Oh, no, it didn't. Did it?
Which should start dropping anytime now.
Oh, okay.
I think.
I'll just leave that. Like, no, I'll just do this. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Should we have like some ice?
Oh no, I think that's good.
Wait, did you fix the waterfall?
No, I haven't done the waterfall yet. Oh yeah, I fixed the top. Just put water in the top.
Oh, that's pretty legit. Oh shoot, dude. This is pretty good though. Normally people just
Help me,
do
help
like,
me with this. Can you get some bone meal and start helping me?
oh.
I still have
We
a lot of
have
things to
17 seconds left.
Come on, just explore it. Come on, help. Whoa. We can do it. Oh, did you
Come on.
get it?
No. Okay, there.
I was
There's
on-
still one over here. Two over here.
The other one! I got blocked by the tree!
I got it.
Oh, that was lit!
Oh my gosh.
No, we didn't throw it in!
Oh.
Oh, I just like freaking squeaked because of that. I just squeaked. Oh gosh.
Oh man. I don't really like this. Yeah, see, I think.
Style. Like how it goes down.
Well,
and then
yeah,
comes
I
down.
guess so.
But I don't like how it like looks so weird.
But this is legendary.
This is okay. Oh. Oh, I really like
Ooh,
this.
epic.
Look at this little snake over here. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, okay.
Legendary. Oh my gosh.
IYH. They have a big fountain.
That's pretty
That's
dope.
pretty good. This is also pretty.
Oh, what's up,
good.
Sasuke? Oh, and a girl Sasuke. That's great. Oh, here's ours. And the water's not filled in.
But that's okay. We got
I
those
see a lot
toys.
of goods in Super Poop, so.
We should be getting, first place for that one.
Really?
No.
This is legendary.
Dang, Danielle.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. They should put it on the side. This thing.
Legendary, dude. Oh, that's cool.
Get the
Epic.
creepers up here. Alright. Oh, I really like that bridge though.
Oh, do you do it for the bridge? I guess you.
Basing it off of the waterfall, it's an okay. Alright, we got a really good place.
Oh shoot, dude. That was.
Wow, ours wasn't really that bad. Alright, let's go back to the lobby real quick.
Oh my gosh, was ours that bad?
I don't think it was. I think we did pretty good. Maybe just people didn't like it because of the
Yeah.
water missing. We probably would have got a better score if that was there. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode.
Mhm.
We'll see you guys later.
Reese's.